This brings us to the end of day 2 of the EIT manufacturing days during the Vienna Up 21. And as every day, I'm going to close out tuning in with my CLC directors from the other regions, and I have with me today 2 of them. And I'm going first north to Björn Fagerström and see how he has experienced that second day of the manufacturing days. Hi, Björn.
I'm back here from Gothenburg, and thanks for calling me.
Hi, Björn. How are you doing?
No, it's fine, thank you.
Excellent.
It's raining still here in Gothenburg, but it's fine anyhow, as always.
How's the weather? Better again?
No, it's raining. It's raining.
It's raining. Oh, what a shame. We are evaporating here. It's really hot in Vienna today, and the studio is adding another few degrees with all the lamps and the equipment. Anyway, nevertheless, did you have a chance to look into our program of today a little bit, and anything that sparked particularly your interest?
Yeah, there is a few things today. I think it was a good mix, so I think that is some good lessons learned for the future. So we have a mix of keynotes, some pitches, of course, roundtable, and then some hackathons. So I think it was a good mix, and that makes it easier to join this kind of web events. So that is also very, very good, I think. And I like the keynote from Thomas Felger. That was very good. And it's not only technology that will make the difference in the end of the day. It's also passion and love that is needed. And I can see that on the pitching sessions today. There is so much nice technology, but in case you don't have the passion, there is some of these startups that will not fly, but with the right passion and the technology, they will fly. And I have also seen that it's quite, let's say, expected topics that is pitching today, but battery and energy storage is picking up a little bit. So we see some more pitches if you compare to other events I have joined earlier. So battery production is starting to be more and more important. So it has been a great day, and I would like to follow up tomorrow and of course see if we get any North winners in the award ceremony, and that is what I'm eager to see. North winners. That is my target, of course.
Well, the jury is just still deliberating, and we're going to know the outcome tomorrow after the second round of pitching for the Create session. But yes, you're right. To get from an idea to a successful business, it needs, passion and the tenacity that comes with passion to see it all the way through and not give up. And that was a good message from Thomas Felger today, and I think he has proven in his life that he has that passion, that he does the follow-up, and he's very successful with his companies that he started. So good to see you. Let's see what tomorrow brings, and I'm going to see you at the closing tomorrow the latest, okay? Thank you, Björn.
Thank you, Johannes. Thank you.
And now we are closing today's session with the guy that we started the session with, and that's Gian Mario Maggio from, Christian is also here. Well, Christian joined us from CLC Central in Darmstadt. I'm going to take him before Gian Mario. So, hi, Christian, how are you doing?
Hey, Hannes, so I'm doing quite well. Sorry for being late, but there were so many exciting pitches today and so many exciting presentations that I had to take a break afterwards.
Well, thank you so much for joining us anyway. Anything particularly that sparked your interest today?
The pitches were really exciting. So there were so many good ideas and so many enthusiastic people from those countries you are not always aware of, and that drives me, or that makes me optimistic that we really have the capability in Europe to drive the next development in manufacturing from ourselves, and not from US, not from Asia, not from China, but from Europe. And I saw a lot of good ideas, and as Björn mentioned, I hope, of course, that we will have a winner tomorrow from CLC Central.
Of course, we all do. We will find out tomorrow, Christian. But you're absolutely right. I mean, it is expected to have great pitches and great ideas from the more industrialized countries in Europe. But this is a particular RIS edition, and we didn't know what to expect. And I'm very excited about the quality and the passion and the newness of those ideas that come up. I'm really looking forward to see also the Create session tomorrow, not just the accelerators, because they are already, kind of in the thing, but the Create session, those are the young kids on the block, the folks that have ideas but no revenue yet. And I'm looking forward to see what kind of ideas they generated for our pitch session tomorrow. Thank you so much for stopping by, Christian. Anything else you want to talk about?
No, I'm just excited also to look at the Create session tomorrow, since I'm the lucky one being the award presenter later.
Oh yeah, you are the one giving away the money and the awards there.
Yes, exactly. So therefore, I'm looking forward to that.
Fantastic. Well, thank you so much, Christian, for stopping by, and I'm looking forward to having you with us tomorrow for the award session, and maybe if there is time also for the closing session in the evening. Thank you so much to Christian Bölling in Darmstadt.
Yeah, thank you.
And now I'm coming to Gian Mario Macchio. He is the CLC director of the Co-location Center South in Milan. Hey, Gian Mario.
Hey, Hannes, good to see you again, and with all the audience, of course.
Good seeing you. So did you have a chance to look into the program today a little bit? And if so, anything that sparked your interest particularly?
Yeah, first of all, congratulations for putting together such an amazing program. Maybe I can pick up a point from this morning discussion in the context of lifelong learning. And I think it is also a good lead for tomorrow discussion when it comes to the Create category. I think it was mentioned by our education director, Paolo Fantini, that actually one of the paths towards startup creation can come actually from our schools, so master and doctoral schools. So this is also in our responsibility, our mission to inject the right passion in entrepreneurship. And I also have to say I enjoyed very much the inspiring talk by Thomas Felger in this respect. So let's help our next generation of entrepreneurs to start with passion for innovation and for creating business here in Europe as well.
Yeah, you have to have a lot of passion, not only for innovation, but for the entire topic of startups. If you get up at 3 o'clock in the morning in California and join us for free here to talk about your own experience. So I really appreciated Thomas to join us. He's a really nice guy, and at some point we hope to have him in the program face to face and not just via our distant web connection. Anything else you want to talk about, Gian Mario? Anything else that moved you?
No, as I said, I wanted to be actually in Vienna with you, Hannes. Unfortunately, this was not feasible at this time, but also it's raining here in Milano, so I would have loved to be in a warmer, as you described this morning, place.
Be careful what you ask for. You just might get it.
Exactly. I think overall, I think was great, and I'm also looking forward to the winners for tomorrow final of Boost Up, of course.
Thank you so much, Gian Mario, for joining me and closing out today's session.
Thank you. I wish everyone a good evening. Thank you.
Thank you very much. And this is the end for day 2 at the EID Manufacturing Days during the Vienna Up 2021. We had a great time today. Thank you so much for joining us, and we are looking forward to seeing you. Thank you so much, and have a great evening. Bye-bye.